Ellie Paper Studio, and today is my first Freebie Friday, and what I have for you is a project that's really fun. So I have created these calendar pages that are going to be available for free on my website. All you have to do is subscribe, and then the password to the subscriber area will open up for you, and you'll have access to a lot of different free downloads. So once you print this off, I just printed it in regular white paper because it's a light gray and I wanted to be able to see it. It's a calendar. And now the mechanism for it is that if you have some acetate sheets, what it's going to end up doing is that you can move the different days. Instead of having to scratch them off, you just move them over. And I got this idea from a calendar that my mom has, that she's always had. She gets them from a supplier of some sort, but it's really fun because you can, it's a really easy to slide over, and I thought it would be really easy to create as well. So once you print them off, I'm gonna go ahead and put the video on fast forward and show how it is that I do my calendar. Calendar, and I will be putting a free SVG buckle so that you can cut it without having to do the makeshift mechanism that I just did here. This acetate sheet band is a really clever way of being able to have the buckle continue to rotate, and then you can pull it up and down as the days in the calendar move on. It will hold, so once you put it, you hang it on your wall or wherever it is that you're hanging it. It's really fun because you get to see all of the days in the month, and you just have to shift once, and then you go to the next day, And then down here you have the following 2 months. I started in January 2018 and it goes all the way to February 2019. So in December you still have the next 2 months. And then you just take these off and throw them away or keep them if that's what you choose. You can also use these calendar pages for other purposes, for other projects. I hope this helps you. I also put the week numbers here because I know some people like to do that. You can decorate. I'm going to decorate a little bit and show some pictures at the end of the video of how I ended up decorating and putting it on my craft room. So I hope this inspires you, and thanks for watching.